Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix image thumbnails Windows 11 not appear 2025. You can see that the preview image of your images is not visible. If you open any of them, the picture is correct. To correct this, in the File Explorer, click on the menu and open Options. Then in the View tab, you must uncheck the box, Always show icons, never thumbnails. When you click on Apply and OK, you can see that the preview is active again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.